New construction, estimated completion early December. This beautiful single-family home is just minutes to Navy Base Norfolk and Little Creek, the Chesapeake Bay beaches, of Golf Course and I-64. Open floor plan. Kitchen includes upgraded white shaker cabinets, stainless steel appliances, stove, dishwasher, microwave, beautiful granite countertops west/a large island. A pass-through butler's pantry, between the kitchen and dining room, west/an additional cabinet that could be used for a wine or coffee bar, or both. Large primary bedroom upstairs west/2 closets, a bath west/a separate soaking tub, fabulous tiled shower, double bowl vanity and private water closet. LVP flooring throughout the downstairs, both upstairs bathrooms and the upstairs laundry. Plush carpet on the steps, upper hall and in all bedrooms. Garage door opener and generator plug are also included. Builder has same model for sale completed in Virginia Beach to be shown to any potential buyer.